Psalm 3, the shield in the night. Lord, how are they increased that trouble me? Many are they that rise up against me. Many there be which say of my soul, there is no help for him in God, Selah. But thou, O Lord, art a shield for me, my glory and the lifter up of mine head. I cried unto the Lord with my voice, and he heard me out of his holy hill, Selah. I laid me down and slept. I awaked, for the Lord sustained me. I will not be afraid of 10,000s of people that have set themselves against me round about. Arise, O Lord, save me. O my God, for thou hast smitten all mine enemies upon the cheekbone. Thou hast broken the teeth of the ungodly. Salvation belongeth unto the Lord. Thy blessing is upon thy people, Selah. Devotional meditation. Psalm 3 arises from the depth of personal affliction. David fleeing from Absalom, betrayed by blood, hunted by his own. And yet from this shadowed place comes a radiant cry of faith. Thou, O Lord, art a shield for me. This psalm is a night watch psalm, a frequency for those surrounded, rejected, or pursued by unseen forces. Its power lies not in denying suffering, but in transforming it into trust. To speak this psalm is to enter the refuge of God's radiance, where he lifts the head bowed down and silences every mocking voice. It is also a prayer on behalf of others, especially those suffering in silence, isolation, or oppression, connecting us to their cry and calling angelic hosts to encamp around them. Invocation of Activation. Shield me, O Lord of hosts, from the arrows of despair. Lift my head when I cannot lift it myself. Be the wall of fire round about me. Send Raphael and the hosts of healing to those in sorrow and isolation. Let this psalm resound through the night like a flame, and bring peace to the troubled. Amen.